Good morning, YouTubers. This is John coming back from our Tiny Cabin project. And today we're going to show you how we prepare breakfast tiny cabin style. Make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you can check out all our other videos. Let's get to it. Alright, YouTubers, well, there you have it. We did a simple scrambled eggs and bacon. As you saw, we used one single cast iron skillet with a single burner butane stove. The one thing I recommend when you're cooking inside a tiny enclosed space is that you crack a window open. That way you're making sure you're not having a depletion of oxygen. And what we always do is we just unlock this, just like that, every time that we're done using it, so no gas leaks into the space. So we're going to eat breakfast and get off of YouTube now. Make sure, again, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for future uploads, and thanks for watching our Tiny Cabin project.